Traffic Boss Assistant Commissioner of Police, Bishop Dr. Gary Welsh, has been reassigned.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Commissioner of Police, Major General Antony Anderson, has announced the reassignment of Assistant Commissioner of Police, Bishop Dr. Gary Welsh, effective Tuesday, August 27th. Reports are that ACP Welsh is to be replaced by Assistant Commissioner of Police, Dr. Kevin Blake. This development comes less than a month after ACP Welsh took up the position as head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. A release from the Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force stated that ACP Blake was instrumental in the design of the traffic unit. Prior to his assignment to P-Step, ACP Blake served as the head of Areas 3 and 4 and the Planning, Research and Development Branch. Commissioner Anderson, in announcing the reassignment of ACP Welsh, did not give a reason for the move or state which of the JCF's branch the former force chaplain was being reassigned to. Bishop Welsh has been experiencing a rough spell lately. It began last week with the alleged driver of a Mercedes-Benz. Welsh was widely criticized for allowing the suspect to walk away scot-free, media frenzy and all, before the case was reopened when it was discovered that Dietrih, who had claimed that he was the reckless driver, may have in fact not been the perpetrator. Welsh further compounded the matter as he addressed a gathering at the first International Symposium on Traffic Investigation and Black Box Analysis at the Caribbean Maritime University on Monday. He made premature announcements of adjustments to the way traffic will operate come September 1.
We are going to set up customer service centers, especially in Kingston, for our customers who run afoul of the Road Traffic Act. You will not be pulled over on the highway or in the narrow corridors. You'll be taken off the road. The first place we've identified is Police Officers Club. If you violate in Kingston, we will pull you off to Police Officers Club, where you will go through the same procedure you go through when you go for a visa at the U.S. Embassy or when you go to the bank. We have ordered a customer service numeric system that will tell you which customer we are serving. When you come and you see that you have number 50 and we are now serving customer number 3, you can complain all you want. We are here to serve you. You might want to ask somebody ahead of you to exchange places, and that's quite okay. If you violate, expect to be served. And might I say to you, since the numbers on the traffic ticketing system seems to be mounting up, we're going to switch focus and start using the 18 summons. What's an 18 summons? It removes the option for you to go pay. You go straight to court. And we are going to work with the courts to get the warrants out much faster.
However, the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit issued a statement on Tuesday outlining that despite suggestions being erroneously aired in the public domain, the JCF's policy remains unchanged and continues to be guided by the rule of law in a respectful manner, always seeking to be a force for good.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.